In this video, we will see how we can rotate any line using Dynamo. Just click new here and search our node for notation, that is geometry.rotate. Select the first one. In geometry, we'll provide a line here, and in origin we'll provide point. In axis we'll provide a vector input, and in degree we'll provide integer here. So searching our node for creating line by start point, end point. Now we have to create 2 points here, and for creating points we need number sliders here. Setting this as 0 and providing these to XYZ for creating our first point and also the origin. Now copying this, and we will vary our input for either X or maybe Y. Now run. See, our second point is created. Connecting these 2 points to create line here, and finally connect line to geometry. Connect first point to our origin also. Now we will need one node for providing the axis, that is vector.z-axis. Now we'll need one number slider here to provide the angle, which is showing as a degree here. Here if we provide negative value, it will rotate the line in clockwise direction, and if we provide positive value, it will rotate the line in anti-clockwise direction. See, for -30 it's rotating clockwise, and for +30 it's rotating anti-clockwise. We can also turn off the preview of the flash line. Also we can rotate the line in different axis. For example, we are searching here vector.x-axis. See, it's rotating in different axis. So this is how we can rotate any objects or element using Dynamo. If this video is helpful to you, please like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.